No. It's okay.
Oh, it was okay. You got gluten?
You can read any color.
But you're meant to wear red.
Then
And you wore red. Was Karen there? All day.
you didn't look after her kids.
You only did it for me, man. Can you pass me some cucumber, please?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Mate, you don't like pineapple.
I do.
I've got my own pineapple.
That's
Can I have
yours.
another piece of pineapple, please? Tomato, cucumber. Thank you.
What's on there?
Everything. I'm making a deluxe burger. Did you make a deluxe burger or a kid burger?
The kids food.
A kid's burger. What do you got on yours? Patty? Ham? Ham steak.
Oh, yeah, the food, yeah, I'll big enough.
Oh?
Stop it in the photo.
Would you like some sauce for your chips?
Here you go. Here's the sauce. The best day ever. Do you think you need to camp over or are you going
Or
home?
shall we go home? No, look.
Everyone.
And what's for pudding?
Ice cream.
And
Candies.
Did you get some more ice cream?
You still got the same one, huh?
no, I've got different. I've got orange chocolate chip and vanilla.
That's my favorite.
Supposed to be thinking of words like misogyny, rather than soybeans was the
What's
joke.
this one?
I'm sorry to lose you.
Hamburger.
I've been caught. The public chase is over.
You should be wanted a bun.
Peter tell you.
Not pleased about that. She was clearly a strong player. Indeed, performed best out of them all in the cash builder.
Are we all doing all right? No, just a piece of tomato, please. Sure. Look at that. Now a ham steak. Or do I do it? Just eat half of your bun there. Yeah?
Just eat one bun.
Guilty of murdering 3 relatives. How the jury came to its verdict after Erin
Look
Patterson
at that.
faced multiple charges over serving a lethal lunch laced with death cap mushrooms. And an independent
What's that
review
little
of
squeak
police
going on?
system explains weaknesses in monitoring internet usage. Its recommendations
Deluxe burger and a few chips.
Oh, why did I pass me that?
Mama, just gonna eat our hands.
You all are.
Because the dishwasher's broken.
What? Pasta,
I'm out.
matariki.
No, I didn't.
AJ, this project might need a bit.
Mm.
I'll back for it.
It smells different if you.
special cards.
Homemade one.
Homemade are the best. Talk properly, I can't hear you. What? Army Faith made yummy dinner, didn't she?
Do you want to take a hamburger for lunch with a ham in it?
Do you love the feeling of the outdoors on those warm summer nights? Introducing TiVo Swing Heater. With its
Look at it,
motorized
your sandwich.
motion, it now covers more than twice the area of the original TiVo heater. Plus, you can stop it in any position.
Mama, look,
The heat
I have a
perfect
picture.
5 meters away. The secret
That is-
is carbon fiber gold
That's
technology.
Uncle Twist.
Doesn't waste time and
No,
money
we're
heating
good.
all that air. It heats you quickly and
Okay.
gently right to your very bones. This outdoor
Thank you.
heat
Then take it.
$3
Can you get another paper from the store, please?
Costs about 40 cents per hour to run. That's a saving of about $3 per hour. Plus, it's 100% weatherproof, so it's not affected.
What sort of races did you do today?
And when it gets
A good
really
race.
cold outside,
A good race.
take it inside.
What was a good race?
Instant heat in your bedroom or your bathroom. It's an affordable and efficient way to heat your
Everyone is-
entire
Oh,
home.
do you want two?
Built-in motion
That's
sensor
nice. That's
that
one then.
automatically shuts off when you leave the room. And
That
turn it
is
on when you
very
enter another. You can
So what sort of races did you do?
heaters, but here today you won't pay anything like
Some people go, one person go next, and then another kid go. I mean third, and then the running there, and staying there, but they tell us the same.
Oh.
we also have our amazing local
That is the different thing.
plus all free stands. Now only $799.95 or upgrade to the standard.
Ah, six.
This product is not available in any stores. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not the best heater you've ever used, send it back for a full refund of the purchase price. So call now, or for faster service, go online to tivoheater.co.nz. That's tivoheater.co.nz. Get yours now.
Oh, that's exciting for this year.
And make it big. In fact, it could turn $1 into 250,000. But yours will go a long way. Play and store
Nice, but it was cold. Wasn't it? Out of the sun then, it was freezing.
Have a good day here. Very good, thank you.
Walking well.
Can I have
There you
a...
go.
Oh, thanks.
That's yours.
No, where's the church? At that part?
In fact, that's yours. What's another one on the phone?
I was gonna... Where there's a park right next to it?
Oh, did you run around the park? How far was it?
No, 1 kilometre.
Did you run around it twice? How long did it take?
Ages. Ages ago.
Still working on it.
But how long did it take?
12 minutes.
For one day?
This
For one
person with
day?
the tomato sauce.
Double it back, man. That's it.
Yeah, but
Have you ever looked at the sauce now?
2.4 has to be
Have you looked at the
under
sauce?
12.
Mmm.
Tomato.
Mmm.
Mm.
So what are you going to do?
So,
Should I have it?
we're gonna run
I
down
think
the
it's
street
over.
east. Just like work.
It's one thing.
Can you get a cup to her, please?
Let's dig one.
Just the paper ones in the cupboard.
I'm losing minutes.
I couldn't because I had drink in my mouth. Thank you. Look down. No more, we've got enough pressure. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know.
That's nothing. That's too strong. Good sauce. Did I go the others? Oh, that might not be.
then.
What did you do now?
Do you want candy in yours? Do you want to make a candy ice cream, Sia?
I have somebody's at the door. Oh! Bye! Hello?
Yep.
Hey,
Yep. Alright, because they're both asleep in the car.
where's number 2?
No, go on, mate.
Get your bowl. Sia, Linda, can you get your bowls off the bench?
And it's like, Mom touched
Do
the,
you want burger?
Mom touched the,
Homemade one.
I know.
Don't take one.
The greatest.
Ham.
Can you make me one, please? On the bed?
Just you.
Hello. Hello. I got your favourite. What does she like to eat? Stingo? From Samoa. From Samoa.
Is she back now?
Oh yeah, they're back now.
Ah, cool.
Oh, there's a new tar chips. Is it taro? Banana.
Banana.
Yeah, that's the good one.
Mate,
I think this yours.
Good for you.
lettuce.
If you don't want to eat that one,
Drink.
that's fine. Eat those.
This one.
What else? What else do you want?
No sauce or anything?
You got sauce?
Yes, please.
What do you want?
Yeah, just.
Do you want a bit of mayonnaise?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, please.
Did you show Linda your medal from Sports Day?
Yeah. Ah, what's the win?
You want a rice?
Oh. Sorry to interrupt. I should have called out. Sorry.
Do you want anything else? Here's a plate.
Oh.
Dishwasher's broken.
That's for real.
For real. Oh, yes.
I'm going now.
Wait. Wait, do you want the egg in it?
Yes, please. And the egg, yeah.
That's it.
Four of them.
No, that's just
Yum.
Thank you very much. Alright.
Wait.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, do you want to take some more from me?
Yeah, thank you very much.
It's an ice cream container as well. Right, bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
You want this?
Cut it off and make yourself a ham sandwich for tomorrow.
Another knife,
I
please.
don't want one.
I'm not making you one. Finish what's in your book first. Huh? I said finish what you've got.
Thank you.
Thank you. Papa Lava.
You finished.
Who?
You guys.
Do you want another pizza?
This is 2 bags of buns.
Yeah, we'll go for it.
Charlie, can you pass on the toilet paper, please?
Can I have some more? Come on, please. This one's good. Yep. Thank you.
Use your manners.
Would you like some more cucumber?
Drink.
No, finish your meat, then you can have some more drink. your meat, okay? Want some cucumber? Oh, pardon me.
So, yeah, is there only one cake around their whole park?
No. They
Oh,
understand
no.
one, okay?
Yeah, really ran 1K.
Why?
You don't expect me to run 2K in one day.
Yes.
Want some more
Let's go.
cucumber? Oh, good girl.
How many laps is it then?
Would
What?
you like some more
It was just
tomato?
one lap. 1K. Which is
So
not
1K is one lap.
Would you like some pineapple? You want some onion?
Buddy, yeah,
Did you get your white cheese all dirty?
yeah, I'm gonna put it tonight.
So your wash machine's off.
I'm not, because I'm gonna use it again tomorrow, so I used to like.
The guy's coming to put a new dishwasher on tomorrow.
What time?
I'm gonna try and
You like cucumber? Cucumber's good for you. It's nice and healthy. Ooh. But something's
Did everybody take enough lunch today? Or did some of them not?
full of food.
Why are you saying something?
Did you eat all your lunch? Did you eat your sandwich?
You have 2 on it.
It was just one sandwich. I cut it into quarters. Mm. What was the favourite in your lunchbox?
I had 1 cookie.
Did you?
I've got some more cookies today. And I saw Uncle James at Peckham Safe
Was it right
shopping.
I know the pickles.
No, nice pickles. They're nice. Nice and
Hands.
sweet.
What about the onions?
Out of the garden.
No, the one that we
Pickle
had.
onion.
Yeah. Did you eat it all?
No, it's still in the fridge.
I never thought I liked it. Oh.
Good onions in.
Shaking the camera is shaking.
Oh.
A little ice creamy.
Oh, guess
Yeah,
what?
What?
Remember how I told you I was 85 kgs?
Mm.
I'm on 79.
Wow, that's
It's
good.
pretty rapid though.
Yeah, because 4 weeks.
What were you at the beginning?
85. Huh?
So
And what are you now?
There's no more drink, darling.
How many
I
weeks have you
think
been
it's
doing?
all right.
Mm. No. Clearly weak.
Hello, there you go.
Just after 6.
And please I have that
I
too.
don't
I feel
know.
like it's just my muscles.
You can
I
have
feel like my muscles
You
is
can have
getting
the
bigger.
cucumber. That's good. You like
Do you want me to
cucumber.
cut some cucumber up like that and put in your lunchbox?
You want some cucumber in your lunchbox tomorrow? Yep, all right.
Tomato? Oh, I'll put it in a
That was a
plastic
very
bag.
nice dinner, thank you. No.
They were all finished yet.
nobody eats into tomato sauce.
Thank you
The
very
tomato.
much.
Yes, I had tomato sauce on my
Oh,
dinner.
good.
I say,
But, that's called tomato, not tomato sauce.
I said my tomato.
Tomato. Well, we can put some tomato in your lunchbox.
Tomato.
It's not stunning. Don't worry
Is
about
it stuck?
Tomato.
So cold.
Is it cold?
We'll put it on Mummy's plate then.
It's not cold.
We got orange chocolate chip and new candies. We can have ice cream.
How was it day today?
I went to Specsavers.
How was that? What colour?
I'm not prepared to discuss it, but
Did you got Cat Kids then?
no, they didn't have Kath Kidston.
Oh no. What's wrong?
And then I went to the chemist to get my tablets. She's, I think
Something
she's,
stuck there.
you can
Well, have a look after.
you can see a bit of tomato stuck.
Go brush your teeth.
You finished, Talia?
Yeah.
You want some more?
Open.
Yep. Time's up.
Okay. Finish? Sure, because I'm going to look in the mirror.
Okay.
Open. Yeah, I can see it.
No, it's still there.
Oh.
Go and get the dental floss.
shit.
Go brush your teeth.
Sarah, can you go and get that dental floss thing? That long
Really?
hand, on a handle.
No, it's stuck on her gum.
The family dinner is up.
You do it. Is it
Come
there?
here. Come.
Come round, go round.
Go, it's there.
She'll help you.
You had a very, very busy day today.
She lost two ribbons because she was running so fast.
Leo! Running so fast.
Oh, were you there?
I've been trying to.
Was that the race that she meant to do? The,
No,
I
no,
know,
that's
but
at
I did
school. Oh,
three kids.
Thank you guys for watching, joining in.
It's alright.
Love you
Happy
all.
dinner time at
Maybe-
the Sue house
Maybe we.
where is it, Talia?
in the middle.